In this video, we will talk about the another important disorder which is known as phenylketonuria. What is phenylketonuria? It is also a autosomal recessive disorder, and due to this disorder, an enzyme is absent in a particular human being. Those human beings are affected by this disorder. There is a lack of enzyme in their body. This enzyme's name is phenylalanin hydroxylase. Phenylalanin hydroxylase. It is a type of enzyme which play a very important role to change a type of amino acid which is known as phenylalanine. In the presence of phenylalanin hydroxylase enzyme, the phenylalanine, a type of amino acid, will convert into tyrosine, and always it is necessary for the rhythmic metabolic rate. If phenylalanine not convert into the tyrosine, then there will be the different types of metabolic disorders arise. So for the normal or the rhythmic metabolism, phenylalanine always convert into the tyrosine in the presence of the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. But in the absence of this enzyme, the phenylalanine concentration will increases. And in the absence of this enzyme, if the enzyme is not present, the phenylalanine convert into the phenylpyruvic acid, and further due to the accumulation of the phenylpyruvic acid, it is responsible for the damaging of the brain and the mental retardation. These are also excreted through urine. This phenylpyruvic acid, it is also excreted from the urine because of the poor absorption of the kidney. In this way, it is responsible for different types of metabolic disorders. This whole segment is related to the phenylketonuria.